So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the search bar down here. Down here, you're just going to type cursor, just like that. Then at the top here, you will see the option change cursor thickness. Just click on that there. Then you'll get this window. This is where you can customize your cursor. You can see at the top here, you have the option to change the pointer size. Changing this will change the size of your cursor, which you can't see because I forgot that doesn't show up in the recording. Then under that, you will have the option to change pointer color. There's the default white, there's black, there's the option to make it negative depending on what color it's scrolling over, and the option of custom color. Here, you will have the choice of lime green, yellow, orange, pink, blue, teal, magenta, and blue. But if you don't like any of those colors, just click pick a custom pointer color here, and you'll get the option here to choose from any of these colors on the scale. Then just hit done to apply. Then below that, you can make the cursor easier to see when typing. As you can see in the little preview to the left here, as I increase this, it makes the icon bigger that appears when you click on text. And that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Have a nice day.